How to remove the front dash speaker grill to fix the rattle noise inside. It's very simple. Before you remove it, just check where has the most noise. First, you remove the side cover with a pry tool. Then you remove the A-pillar cover from the top. Try to wiggle and pull. Once the top is loose, it's very easy to take out the whole cover. Do the same on the other side. Oh yes, you also need to unlock this ribbon. Once both sides are removed, you can grab on the edge of the speaker grill and pull straight up. From the edge towards the center. Do the same for the other side. Pull straight up from the edge towards the center. Then, now you can take the speaker grill out. Now, check everywhere. And put some foam tape on wherever you can. Just not on top of the speaker. Same with the other side. Make sure you put some foam tape in this area, it makes the most noise here. Put it back is just the opposite. Place the cover on top. Make sure it's aligned. Then push it straight down. Also for the A-pillar cover. Wiggle it back in. Lock the ribbon. Then push it straight in. And the cover as well. Same with the other side. Comment below for any other places with rattle noise. And I will make a video on how to fix it. Bye guys.